Hey everybody, it's Miss Penny again at Marengo-Union Library, and we're here to make another craft. Oh, this one's going to be so easy, yet so fun. So everybody get yourselves ready and let's make this craft. Things you'll need from home: a hot glue gun. But remember, if you're using a hot glue gun, you have to have adult supervision, because, I say this every time, because hot glue guns are super hot and they can burn you. So it's important to have somebody there, either doing that part for you or just watching to make sure that you're doing it very safely. So hot glue gun, you can use, this is your choice now, you can use permanent markers. If you'd rather use paint, you can use paint. You can also use chalk markers if you have chalk markers. Chalk markers could be fun. If you use chalk markers, you can wipe it off and put a new picture on every time, like all the time. So that could be fun. So your choice: permanent markers, paint markers, or paint. Permanent markers, chalk markers. See, I'm going crazy here. You guys knew what I meant though, right? You caught me. Good job paying attention. Would you like to know what our craft is? Yes, I thought you might. Craft is making your very own spinning top. Super easy, guys. You're literally going to have a disc in your kit, all right? And you're going to have a marble in your kit. And then you'll have some sort of top, like a milk top or something in your kit, okay? Or jug type of top, all right? All you're gonna do, take your CD and decorate it with whatever option that you chose. Chalk, permanent, paint. You're just gonna put some designs on here, however you want. I'm just gonna do like super quick designs because I just wanna like kind of get this done for the video, you know? So I'm just gonna kind of put like, I don't know, some designs here. But you can do, like, you want to make it super pretty, you go ahead. You want to work really hard at it and, you know, take your time. By all means, you guys do that, okay? There we go. And then I'll just put a couple polka dots. So I've got squiggly lines, I've got zigzags, and I've got polka dots. Perfect. All right. Okay. Ooh. There we go, and one more spot. Perfect. Whoop, that wasn't really a polka dot. All right, I didn't use the brightest of colors, did I? That's okay. I am going to add like a bright green, just because I want like something bright on here. I don't know if it'll turn out bright. Let's find out. Well, maybe it's the CD. Maybe it's the disc I'm using. That's okay. It's still gonna be cool. That's all that matters, right, guys? All right, so now I'm really, oh, it doesn't matter. If you get like towards the center too much, it probably won't matter too very much because it might be covered. So anyway, decorate it up however you want to. This is, now that's it for decorating, okay? Oh, did I mention you want to decorate the shiny side? You could decorate this other side, but I'm decorating the shiny side because this is the side that's going to be spinning. This is the side I want to see. I don't want to see this side spinning. I want to see this side. So I'm decorating this side. And then we're going to go ahead and put our marble on. All right, so our marble is going to go on the side that we didn't decorate. It's going to go on the opposite side, and it's just going to go right in there. But we have to hot glue it in there, okay? So if our hot glue gun is ready, hopefully you were warming it up while you were decorating. Go ahead and put some hot glue inside the little hole there. All right, and then stick your marble right inside, right there. The hot glue will hold it in place. Ta-da! That's it. That's it for that one. You got your marble in there. Maybe just take your hot glue and just kind of like make sure your marble's gonna stick in there. That's not a bad idea. And I might even go on the other side and do the same, just to be safe. I think it's fine, but you know what? When I'm starting to spin my top, I don't want my marble popping out. There, so I just put a little extra stringy hot glue. I just put a little extra in there. You know how hot glue gets so stringy? That's what this one's doing. It's like a string, one lone string. Okay, anyway, a little bit there. I could leave it like this, but it'll be really hard to spin. And that, I have string all over me from this hot glue. Okay, that is where this top comes in. I'm gonna put this top piece on here, on the shiny side that's gonna be up. I'm gonna glue it on right like that, right in the center, right over the marble, okay? So I think I'm gonna put my glue on the top piece. Again, grown up supervision, okay? Especially if you're doing it this way, because the glue can come pretty close to your fingers. And it will burn. I guarantee you it will burn. So I'm gonna put some glue around the top here, and I'm just gonna stick it right into the center. And there we go. It's right on there. That's gonna be a perfect handle. If you don't like the way this looks, you've got your paint, you've got your chalk markers, or you've got your permanent markers, go ahead and scribble it up, paint it up, beautify it, whatever you want to call it. You go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna color mine blue. I'm not even doing anything special. I'm just gonna color the whole entire top blue. If whatever you're using though, remember to let it dry, because if I touch this before it's dry, guess what I'm gonna have? Blue hands. Yeah, I might turn into a Smurf, I'm not sure. So I will be careful not to touch this top piece, which marker kind of covered and kind of didn't, but that's okay. I don't mind. I could have left it plain and I would have been fine with it too, to be honest. But that's it. That's it, guys. Spinning top complete. Didn't I tell you, easy peasy? Does anybody know how to use a spinning top? Let's test it out. Quick tester, guys. All you do, take your handle, put it down like this, okay, ready? And then spin. Yes, mine didn't spin. There we go. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, there we go, I got it. This is so awesome. And if you have a really cool design on there, you'll see it like spinning. The design will be so cool as it's spinning. You guys have so much fun making this. Send me in pictures or videos, or come in and show me it spinning. Maybe we can have like a spinning race. That would be fun. Either way, just have fun. Remember, it's still spinning. Remember to have fun, but remember also to please clean up after yourselves. Hot glue, unplug it, let it cool off, put it away. Put away your paint markers, whatever you used. There's really not much to throw away, but throw away anything that needs to be thrown away. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Still spinning, almost done. When it's finished, the video's finished. That's great. You guys have a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye.